Remember to set up your Inventor project before starting. Speed or slow the video as needed, and remember to pause and rewind when you need to, and here are the keys on the keyboard that will allow you to do that easily. The part we want to make right now is this part here. The grid here is 0.25 inches, so if you study this and count up the squares, you'll come up with certain dimensions for this part, and we're going to make that, and I'm going to use those dimensions. So the first thing I'll do is I'll sketch on the XY plane. I'm going to make this in a very simple way. I'm going to make a rectangle that is sort of it encompasses the whole thing, and it's going to have a width of 8 times 0.25, 8 squares, and it's got a height of 6 times 0.25, so 6 squares. And so I'm going to finish that sketch, hit the house, get it into view, extrude. I'm going to go into the page, and I'm going to go here 2 times 0.25. So what I've done here is I've made this area back here that's 2 units deep, and I'm going to cut out this little chunk here, and then later I'm going to add this part up front. So let's put a sketch on the front here, and I'm going to use the line tool. Let me actually first, let me just project the geometry here so I can use the edges here on my sketch, the edges of this block, and I'm going to put a line here and here, and now I've got a triangle here because I can use these edges here on my sketch, in my sketch. So what I want to do is now dimension, so this distance here to here is going to be 2 squares, 2 times 0.25, and the distance from here to here is 3 times 0.25. And now I've got this rectangle, and as you can see, that's what I want to do a cut of. So let me extrude here, select that region, do a cut, and for distance we'll just say all, and there we go. And so now we've got the back region here, and now I'm going to make this little thing up front. And so again, I'm going to make a sketch on the front, and again I'm going to project the geometry, the perimeter there, and I think all I need to do is take a line and make it like this, and then make sure that I get these the end of the line correctly placed. So that's 2 times 0.25, and then the distance here from this point to this point is 5 squares, or 5 times 0.25. And you can see it's fully constrained, so let's finish that sketch and extrude this one out, and it's already kind of expected, taking a guess at what I wanted, and that's correct, so it's 2 units out, so we'll finish right there. So let's check the volume, and it looks like this one is 2.063 cubic inches. So that's how you can tell that your part is made correctly. Alright, in an upcoming video we'll make the dimension drawing for this part. Thanks for watching.